welcome to the Sonax Detailing Academy UK YouTube channel. I thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to use our Sonax Xtreme ceramic spray coating. And it should be a really quick video because it's remarkably easy to apply. I have here our crusty old RX7, which you've probably seen in other videos on the channel. And I thought I'd just use this just to show you how to apply it. So we take one Sonax ultrafine microfiber and our ceramic spray coating, and we just apply a very small amount to the cloth. You can spray directly onto the car, but if you get overspray on other areas, it's not a problem. It just takes more time having to go around and clean up afterwards, or you might have to go back over areas you've already done. And you use a lot less product by spraying directly onto the cloth. Right, so I'm going to show you onto here. We want to apply it in nice straight lines. Make sure we overlap so we get even coverage of the product. There's no curing time, so once we've just spread it nice and evenly, we can just turn the cloth over, or you can grab another cloth, whatever suits you. And we can just very, very gently level that off and remove the residues. You'll feel it gives like quite a medium sort of slick feel, so it's quite nice, adds a bit of gloss as well. And there we go. This gives you up to 4 months of protection, and that's based on washing once a week, so there's no crazy durability claims. Now let me show you the water beading. Grab the camera, apologise for any shaking. Here we go, I have my spray bottle here, and we will spray some on. Pretty good from just a spray and wipe. Let's see if we get a nice sheeting effect. Yes, we do. And there we go, and what's crazy is the water behaviour actually gets better over the next few hours as the product cures. And there we go, it's very, very simple to apply. It's also fantastic over the top of our long-term coatings, CC1, CC36 and CC Evo. Just helps give it a boost and gives the coating that extra protection. That's it. I told you it was going to be a short video, and I wasn't lying. So thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think. And I'll see you in the next video.